Hello and welcome to MyGenie tutorial video designed specifically for the employers, where we will explore the seamless and simple process of quickly finding and buying products. MyGenie serves as a unique platform that brings together top employers' opportunities, high-caliber talent and solution accelerators to deliver extraordinary business results for the customers. In addition to this, MyGenie also offers a wealth of information, ideas, and views, along with valuable tools, solution accelerators, leading-edge products, competency advisory services, great benefits, world-class account management, and a responsive service desk, catering to the needs of all customer stakeholders involved. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the steps to use MyGenie's product search functionality. With its wide range of features, you will gain the ability to meticulously define your search parameters, ensuring that you quickly find the right best practices and solution accelerators. So, without any further delay, let's start the tutorial. In the login page, enter your username and password and then hit the submit button to log in to your MyGenie account. Now, click on the Find Product option above. From here you can type the subject or topic related to the product you are looking for. For example, if you are looking for white papers, best practices, or guides on ITSM, just type ITSM here and hit the search button. So, these are all the ITSM products available for you to explore and choose from. Click on View Product to go to the product details page. So, this is the product details page. From here you can view the product brochure. Also can download it by clicking here. You will find all the necessary information related to the product here, like price, description, ratings, etc. Also, you can share this product from here. As this product is available for free of cost, you can download it by clicking here. So, at MyGenie, you can find and download a wide variety of useful products free of cost, such as this one. MyGenie also offers a comprehensive collection of paid products. You can access them by paying the product price amount. Let's see how you can buy a paid product at MyGenie. So, a paid product details page looks like this. To buy the product you just need to click on Add to Cart. Then, click on Cart here. And from Shopping Cart, you can click here to check out. This will redirect you to the payment gateway. Once your payment is completed, you can conveniently access your purchased product through Product Tracker. Here, you will find the complete and detailed list of all your acquired products, including those obtained through free downloads. The list can be sorted based on the product purchase date for your convenience. You can download the product from here. Also, you can give your valuable feedback and rating to a product by clicking here. Now let's see how we can search for products using the advanced search options. Click on Advanced Search here. Now, in this pop-up, select the type of product you want. You can select one or more than one, then you can choose your desired industry, department, discipline, focus area, and also you can enter the specialization. Let's see an example. Let's select the industry and department as information technology, the discipline as cybersecurity, and the focus area as cloud security. For the purpose of this tutorial, leave the specialization field blank. Now, Click on Advanced Search to view the results. Based on the parameters I have provided, these are the products found as the advanced search results. Thank you for engaging with this tutorial. We aim to present this in a simple and easily understandable manner, and we hope it has served its purpose. We appreciate your valuable time and attention. Goodbye, and take care.